holder. So let's go on BitTorrent holder, because I have one special and very good news for BitTorrent holder. Yes, this is very amazingly video. Please keep watch. Don't skip this video any second, because this video every second is very important. So let's get started the price prediction first of all of this video. But before I get started this brand video, my BitTorrent hoary lovely brother, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please click the red button, complete my 10,000 subscribe, and I do a giveaway. Yes, I do a giveaway if you complete my 10,000 subscribe. So let's get started the price prediction of BitTorrent. Guys, BitTorrent as totally goes down in those days, and everyone's starting messaging me on Instagram to what we do in this critical situation: sell, hold, or buy. These three things, these three decisions is very important for every holder. And if you are new holder, then you have no experience to this is selling time or buying time or holding time, then you subscribe our YouTube channel. I guide you. Yes, I promise my every brother, I guide you, I full support you, I make you millionaire. Absolutely, ABS Tech channel make you millionaire. Yes, ABS Tech channel as your brother, friends. ABS Tech channel as your father, brother. ABS Tech channel as your teacher, brother. If you need our information, if you need our guidance, then absolutely subscribe it. Okay, so this time if you can see here, BitTorrent as totally goes down, my brother, and I am very sad because I am also holder. But don't be sad, okay? I am also with you, okay? Don't be sad. I am also available for sadness. I am your sadness, okay? So this time if you can see here, the price is going totally off, my brother. But if you can see here, the last 24-hour changes, they gone down. 7.94% they gone down. But I hope in upcoming days they go. And what's the reason to they go down in those days? The reason I explained you, my brother. If you are a new holder, then keep be focused, okay, on this video. If they go down sometime, then there are two reasons to they go down. The one reason is that today every cryptocurrency as goes down at the start of month, and absolutely this is the start of month too. This is one reason to they go down. And the second reason is very important. Absolutely understand this reason is very important, guys. If any cryptocurrency, especially for example Bitcoin is one of the popular, one of the fastest, everybody know this, to Bitcoin is the top cryptocurrencies. Yes, and the crypto market, everybody know this. Yes, can you know this? Okay, absolutely you know this. Okay, so BitTorrent and those days, the previous 2 days, BitTorrent very highly goes down, decreased. BitTorrent and Stomix, these two cryptocurrencies especially go down. Why they go down? This is two top cryptocurrencies. Absolutely, BitTorrent and also top cryptocurrencies. But any cryptocurrencies goes down sometime. Absolutely, this possible. And this goes down this time. Which time? People starting selling. Absolutely, when people starting selling, then any cryptocurrencies who is very top, is the top cryptocurrencies. BitTorrent is already very top currency. Absolutely very top currencies. Absolutely, they gone down when the people starting selling and the price is decreasing. Absolutely, this is possible to when people starting selling, then they gone down. So friends, understand, hope you understand to what I tell you. So this is not a good decision to use when they gone down, then you decide to this is selling time. Absolutely, and you are starting selling. This is absolutely very wrong decision, and this decision can make you poor and make you rich. Yes, they make you millionaire, and they sometimes make you a very poor estimate. Yes, so absolutely understand what I talk you. So let's see to what's going on in the market cap rate price change. You can see here the 24-hour very badly go down. The highest change at 0.007694 US dollar, and the lowest change at 0.008462 US dollar. So my friends, trading volume, you can see here 39.68% going down. Every volume market cap is absolutely 0.226%. They're gone 0.25%. They're gone down. So my friend, market rank of BitTorrent as 27, and I hope they can hit they can hit 10. Is it possible that they can go and top 10? Absolutely is possible. And upcoming time, if they're going up, then absolutely it is possible. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learned something new as this video. If you enjoy this video, the good news is that for BitTorrent holder I do a giveaway. The BitTorrent giveaway is coming soon, so please subscribe our YouTube channel. Complete my 10,000 subscribe, I do a giveaway. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.